Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making another diaper cake. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I will not be opening this. I'm going to be using this as like a base. So it's going to be part of the gift. We're using these headbands. We're going to be using this socks and bow. We're going to be using diapers, of course. We're going to be using rags. I'm also going to be, I'm adding this card for baby. I went ahead and roll my diapers off camera. I will be putting a link in the description if you want to watch how we did that in a previous video. So what I'm going to be using here is my foil. I have a very long foil paper and it finished today. So I just kind of cut it in half in 2 pieces. And so we're going to be using 1/2 of that as the base. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to try as much as possible to kind of center this. And then I'm going to be using a string and I'm going to try to get the diapers in the middle. Okay, so the pack of diapers came with 32 in there. At the bottom, I have 22 diapers, and then I'm going to put the remaining 10 as my top tier. So what I'm doing is kind of adjusting, and after I'm done adjusting, I'm going to tie the string, and then I'm going to be adding the rags in here. Instead of just putting the rags in there, the rag could probably just go on top of the box. Instead of doing that, the rags are already folded, so I'm going to just remove them from the package that they are in, and then we are just going to fit them into the diaper cake itself. So next I'm going to be using one of the rags to kind of wrap around the pole. Right, so I'm going to be covering that with one of the rags, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the top tier of the cake by adding the remaining 9 diapers. Oh, there were 10 altogether, so we're going to add these here now. We're on the home stretch here, people, so do bear with me. If you've gotten this far in the video and you've not yet subscribed, it means that you're enjoying the content, so please do hit that subscribe button. It would mean a great deal to us. Okay, so I found this in my little craft basket, and my husband recommended I use this one instead of a plaid ribbon that I had. So yeah, this is the one that we're going to use. And all I'm going to be doing right now is I measured, and then I'm just going to glue it together for both top and bottom. Okay, so that looks good so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm just moving things around here to see what works. So we have these 2 little socks that's still in the plastic thingy that it came into. So we're going to put that on top. And then I'm also going to be adding a little toy. There's a little toy there. I'm going to be adding that to the top as well. And for the little bows, I'm just moving the bows around to see what works and what might look pretty. So yeah, and right here I'm not gluing anything because remember that baby is still delicate. So I was extra careful with these diapers. I did wash my hands before I did all this, and this little blanket is clean, right? So I'm putting that little bare on top. Does that look okay? All right, then if you say so, it's a go. All right, so we're finding a place for the bows here. You can do whatever you like, whatever looks cute. As you move it around, you can tell right away what's working. I found some pink grass that we're gonna be adding to the bottom of our cake. And then I added 2 extra bows right at the base of the grass area right there. Okay, so we're gonna be traveling with this, so I am going to use my shrink wrap. So my blow dryer is in the back, and I'm just cutting the piece that I need from the roll, and then we're just gonna set the diaper cake on here and then see how best we can blow dry this and shrink wrap it. All right, so Zone just got here, and she was like, "You already made the cake? I thought you were gonna call me." And I told her I was gonna, but yeah, I had other things to do, so I just wanted to get to it. Okay, so it's in the shrink wrap, and we're just gonna try to her face. We're just gonna try to get it in here so that we can start blow drying. So I'm gonna have her do the blow drying just so she can feel as though she was a part of the process. So there's a card. We wrote in the card, and we're gonna put the card on the inside as well. And when you use a blow dryer, you want to make sure that you're starting from the bottom, from the base, and you don't want to just hold it in one spot. So let the fun begin. All right, so we are all done with shrink wrapping. All I'm gonna do is add that little bow to the top, and it's gonna be a wrap. All right, guys, the bow is on top. I added a little purple ribbon at the top as well. So this is what it looks like. All done. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.